Hey guys, it's Lane Power here, and today, this is our second unboxing video for today. We've got the brand new AstroTurfs from Sports Direct, basically, and I'm just a big Puma fan, so hi. Let's have a look here. You can see the box itself, big old Puma here. You can see Puma on every sides, and then over here you can see it's Puma Classico AstroTurfs, and it's size 8. So it's cost about £32 first AstroTurf boot. So yes, let's have a look at the back here. You can see information itself. You can see the logos and stuff, some sizes and stuff. So I'm just a big Puma fan, you can. So the reason why I bought this boots is because my old Nike, I didn't say Nike, but it's Nike AstroTurfs are old. So basically I bought this new beast for today. And some reason why am I a big Puma fan is it's because I'm the beast. So they sell Pumas from Sports Direct, and I obviously bought this guy. I recognize that box. Sorry for the camera a moment. You see this box I recognize, which is my favorite brand also. And alright, so let's just open it up and see what's inside. We also got a receipt so you can take a look. Obviously it's for sale. I didn't say it's for sale, but it said sale on it. And we've got some Puma Classicos, which are in an AstroTurf design. You can see in the back here, not AstroTurf here. You can see the logo itself. It's got the same but on the right foot. And what's in the box? Nothing's in the box. So, let's give this guy a review. So these are Puma Classico AstroTurfs, which are in black, white, and gold color because it's a nice color. Basically, you can see the for dollars, but you can see the emblem to it. You can see the logo over there, the Puma logo, and you can see the Puma logo in the back also. Which one's the same one? It's the same process for that one. And I'm gonna take off the insides first of all, as you can see. This one doesn't have any insides either. This one, and I'll put this guy into the box, and then the receipt. So it's a mega value in this box, as you can see. And it's a nice shoe, basically. It's a nice AstroTurf football boots. I was going to say the insides, it's golden, and that logo is golden. This one's golden. And over there, I forgot to tell you, is art logo I can see. So this one for the left foot. And I'll basically give them a try on right now. But basically, I'll give this guy a try on. Give the right foot. As you can see the foot itself. As you can see, better put them on now, just in case you can see the foot. There we go. And unfortunately, I do have to tie down my lace for later. I'm gonna put them under the inside of the shoe, like that. See? Now I'm also gonna give this guy a try on. I better give this guy a try on now. Right? You can see my foot itself. Do the exact same thing as the one that I tried on with the right foot now. Right, so I tried them on feet. As you can see my Puma joggers there. And the on feet one looks nice actually. But it's cool when it's size 8. Basically I used to have this is a size 8. Well, this is the best shoe I've ever seen. It's matching with this jogger, as you can see. Look. It's matching with that and that. So basically it's for school, so hi. Anyways, I just wanted to say that this is our second video for unboxing. Oh sorry, I didn't mean to put that. So this is our second unboxing video, and on its own feet just now, so it looks like it's a review, but it's on feet, look, as you can see. Can I put this? There we go, they're on feet, so it's our second unboxing video, and this is the second review of our Puma Classicos, and I'm just gonna say I'm a big Puma fan. I love Pumas. Pumas are my fave, basically. And alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video, I think so, maybe. I see you. And don't forget to leave a like if you like this Puma Classicos, and subscribe if I'm a big Puma fan, please subscribe. And alright, so I shall see you guys in the video that I'm uploading later on. Okay? See you later. Okay. I'll see you later on.